guys! We have another problem here about fundamental counting principle. Let's try to solve this problem. 5 people stand in a line for a photo. In how many ways can they stand for the photo? So, nagpa-picture ka lang, nagka-problema ka pa, no? Okay, so ilan sila? So, meron tayong 5 slots kasi 5 yung tatayo. Okay, so first slot, anong option mo? Lahat sila pwede. So, you have 5 options. Okay? Dahil napili na, nakatayo na dito yung isa, ilan na lang yung option dito? 4 na lang. Hindi pwedeng nakatayo ka na dito, nakatayo ka pa dito sa pangalawang slot, diba? Ano yun? Diba? Doble-doble ka. Okay? So, you have here, so meron na dito, ilan na lang matitirang option dito? Dahil nakatayo na yung dalawa dyan, 3 na lang dito. Okay? And then we have 3, ilan na lang dito? 2, and dito, 1 na lang. Okay? 5 factorial yan in short, di ba? So, we multiply 5 times 4 is 20, times 3 is 60, times 2 is 120, times 1 is 120. So, there are 120 ways they can stand for the photo. Okay, ganun lang siya. Now, what if you have 8 here? So, 8 people stand in a line for a photo. In how many ways can they stand for the photo? O, you try to solve for this, ha? Okay? Don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring. Bye!